Every $5 you spend gets you one chance to win one of the rarest Evos Mitsubishi ever sold to the public. And that is my one of 368 ever made Dandelion Yellow Evo 3s. We have got tons of new merchandise at 53supply.com per usual. Every $5 you spend gets you one chance to win this Evo 3. I'm gonna be honest right now, I don't even know what I'm gonna film today. I just showed up and I'm in Houston now, sweating my butt cheeks off, and I'm gonna go do some drifting. My car is all ready to go. New steering rack swapped out. Pretty excited about that. Hopefully we will have mitigated any sort of steering issues that we've had. Hanging out over here with Jake, pro driver. Is this your first shakedown in this car?
First shakedown since we rebuilt them.
But other than that, nothing else has changed?
Well, we got a quick change and better action.
Oh, right. Big boy high comp engine. This thing's pretty rad. Got his S14 and a Z. So I don't know, this is Clean Culture, and I am just here to have fun, meet you guys, and sweat a lot. You guys like my Bucky shirt? Hell yeah, boy. This is kind of like my shakedown for the LZ World Tour next week. So I guess the point of today is just to get more comfortable with the car and see if there's any other issues that we can iron out before New Jersey. We just fixed the steering rack and now my steering wheel's sideways again and it bothers me. All right, let's try this one again, boys. I think it's because I need a better power steering cooler. Guess I'll just install a cooler before I go up to New Jersey, but I noticed it's literally like, it's good on the first lap, and then as soon as I'm done with the first lap, it gets harder. It's not nearly as bad as it was, so I'm thankful for that, but... My feet are 4,000 degrees, so I'm gonna take it in, let her cool off. Oh my God, it's hot. Power steering still, so it just gets too hot too quick. So I just need that cooler on it. It's not a big deal. It's just I basically have to do like a lap or two and then come in. So it's not a big deal. This is kind of crazy. I didn't really know what to expect at all, but this is like a huge car meet. There's a bunch of super clean drift cars here. The meet's gonna be wild. This is what a Houston car meet looks like. All Dodges and Mustangs. That 300 looks actually pretty nice. Bunch of super clean cars. Wow, that is so clean, bro. Yeah, dude, my power steering is broken, bro. Not good. Disheartening, dude. I wanna go crazy, I wanna go full send, but like it literally is such a bad problem. I'm gonna go ahead while my car is cooling down. I'm gonna hop in a jet with Jake in his pro car. It's gonna be crazy.
Have you ever ridden in a, like a fast drift car?
I'm trying to think. I actually don't think so. No.
My 240 to feel as solid as this, dude. The suspension and just like it just felt like I was floating. This car is just like, yeah, it's flowy, bro.
Your fluid
I'm gonna do like
before you're gonna
flush.
try and drive the LZ thing. And if you can possibly get a cooler on before then,
I will. 100%.
Yeah.
I'm going to. Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Josh is saying he probably burned up your pump. It's probably on its way out. Pumping a cooler before LZ's would be great.
I think it was the cooler and like my car keeps, like, aside from the power steering, that's whatever. My car keeps hitting like a boost cut or like something, and the power cuts out, and it's super weird. Not sure what it's doing. Huge entry, bro. I'm doing some pretty fat skids right now, boy. My feet are hot as it lasted longer. Really? So I think bleeding it, I mean, it's still like, the thing is, it's never at a point to where it's good.
Try to stay on throttle a little longer before getting on the handbrake. Okay. It'll help you get a little wider in the corner.
All right. But yeah, that was super helpful. Yeah. Appreciate you.
It's just like, you gotta trust that the car's gonna slow down.
Yeah. Which also, like, now that I just did that, it's like, okay, now I would definitely want to go way down in pressure to give myself a little more grip. Ooh, this thing is not happy.
Really solid.
Sweet. I know. Jake got the boot, boys. He wasn't allowed to drive anymore because his car's too loud. It'd be like that sometimes.
I love it.
That's funny. Oh my god, dude. I love it. I love it. Oh, dude. Oh no. Not the Dodge. Not the Dodge, bro. That is awesome, man. Thank you. Dude, that is awesome. Thanks so much, bro. That is sick. A lot of miles later, I'm currently in Nashville. So that was a really obnoxious way to start the ending of the video. Whatever. You're gonna have to deal with it. I am currently in east of Nashville, west of Knoxville, on my way up to the LZ World Tour, and I'm super stoked to see everybody again. That was my shakedown for the day, and I really didn't, like I said in the beginning, didn't know what to film, didn't have much commentary. Not to mention, I finally got to hang out and meet up with Micah Diaz, and also I was literally just kind of hanging out with you guys most of the time I was there, and just not walking around filming a bunch of commentary and stuff. So I just want to say that I am currently editing in my hotel room and trying to pump out videos. I'm trying to make sure my video cadence gets a little bit back up there. I know that I have been a little bit slacky on the videos lately, and I'm trying to do better about that. My advice for you guys today is to do your best with what you have. You will not always in life be equipped with the same tools that other people will. You will not always have the same opportunities that some will have. There will always be people that are born into more successful or richer families than you. There'll be people that have better opportunities than you, but guess what? It's still your job to do your best. So do your best with the tools that you have. Whatever you've got, make do with them and do your best. It's hard to look at people sometimes and be like, dang, like my life would be easier if, you know, point to, you know, somebody else has, but you don't have it. So why waste your time worrying about it? Do the best with what you got. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys. See you guys next video for my road trip up to New Jersey.